Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the latest Telegram update and walking you through how to remove a reaction from a channel message using the Telegram app on your PC. If you've ever changed your mind about a reaction or want to keep your channel neat, you're about to learn just how simple it is. First things first, begin by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to manage your channels and messages. Telegram's desktop interface packs a lot of power, so you'll find everything right at your fingertips. Next, head over to the channel where you want to remove a reaction. Channels are typically listed on the left side of Telegram's window, so scroll through and click on the exact channel to open it up. Once you're inside the channel, scroll through the messages and locate the one with the reaction you want to remove. Maybe it's an announcement, a news post, or even a fun meme. Just make sure you find the exact message. You'll notice reactions displayed just below the message, often as small emoji icons. Here comes the key step. Move your mouse over the message and right-click on it. Doing this brings up a quick menu packed with message options. Look for your reaction shown among the emojis. Now, simply click on the same react, the emoji you previously pressed to react. Clicking it again instantly removes your reaction. It's just like toggling the emoji off. With your reaction gone, the message now appears as if you never reacted at all, keeping things tidy and accurately reflecting your intent. Telegram's newest update has made this process straightforward and hassle-free, giving you more control over your communication. That's all it takes. Open Telegram, jump into your channel, pick the message, right-click, and click your reaction to remove it. Whether you're managing a busy channel or just fixing a quick mistake, these steps will help you keep your messages organized and clear.